Must know Windows keyboard shortcuts that will save your time in life.
DIN Life Tech.
1. Did you just mistakenly close out from your browser? Now, which keyboard shortcut will help you bring it back? A. Control plus T. B. Alt plus Tab. C. Shift plus Control plus T. D. Windows key plus Shift plus M.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is C. Shift plus Control plus T. 2. To take a custom screenshot on your Windows computer, meaning you can just take a portion of your screen. Which keyboard shortcut can help you do that? A. Windows key plus P. B. Windows key plus Shift plus S. C. Control plus plus key. D. Control plus X.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is B. Windows key plus Shift plus S. 3. Now this shortcut will give you some security and save your work maybe from your other colleagues at work when you're gone, or maybe you just step out for a short period of time. Which keyboard shortcut will help you to put your screen on lock? A. Control plus Send. B. Shift plus a Delete. C. Control plus Escape. D. Windows key plus Selm.
5, 4, 3, 2.
The answer is
1.
D. Windows key Cell. 4. The fastest way to shut down your Windows computer is to use a keyboard shortcut. But before doing that, make sure you save all your work first. So which keyboard shortcut helps you shut down your computer? A. Windows key plus X. B. Shift plus Delete. C. Shift plus End. D. Control plus End.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is A. Windows plus X. That's it for this video. How many did you get correct? Leave it at the comment section. Also, share with friends so they can get the tips and tricks you just got. If you found value in this content, please give it a like and follow for more tips, tricks, and hacks based on your digital world. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next one.
DIN Life Tech.